we learn this controller. This touch screen. Here is run page. Here is web parameters and motion, oscillate, function, program, input and output monitor. We can see the run page. Run page is here, and the waiting parameters is set the program and C axis rotation, the degree, and the waiting speed. Waiting speed also is auto see the speed, and center one the switch, the waiting speed. We will talk about later. And here is the motion. Motion is the manual speed and the step by size, and oscillate the fraction. How to set the parameters. And here is the fraction. Fraction is the delay time and the control, and check the grant the success from the waiting power to the controller. And here is input and the output and the alarm the logic. And here we next learn from the run page to the input output. We next talk about it.